He doesn't like it. Welcome to Central Park. And it is cold. All right, Meteor 75 Pro. My assistant recording me. Going down into the tunnel here. See how well we do. Hopefully it doesn't lose signal. Oh my god, so many branches.
It's very small.
Hello.
Like the size of like my finger, but it has a card in it. It's a card to put in your camera.
Hello. Oh my god, these settings are perfect. He doesn't like it. Oh my god. Ah! Meteor 75 Pro hitting snow. Let's see if it still flies. Oh, it still moves. Oh my god, and it's windy. Oh, and it's windy. Battery loses a lot because it's freaking cold right now. It's a lot of jitters because oh, now it's getting windy. And my hands are freezing. You know, I am loving flying this drone. And I love the people in New York. Oh, and the dogs too. Okay. All right, now I'm recording. Wait, I lost footage. It disconnected. So quick heads up here. Right here is where my Meteor 75 Pro actually cuts out mid-flight. Yeah, my heart definitely dropped for a second. Luckily, it powered back on. But this much snow on the ground, I decided not to keep pushing it. If this thing went down somewhere I couldn't reach, especially buried in the snow, it would have been game over. So I decided to play it smart instead of risky. So I decided to fly by DJI Neo 2, but that's going to be in the next video. So definitely stay tuned for that one. You don't want to miss it. It's a lot of fun. If you're vibing with the content, make sure you drop a like, subscribe, and stay locked in because we got a lot more insane FPV and New York City content coming soon. So I'll see you guys in the next one.